Hey guys, welcome to OT Sports Cards, first ever eBay box break. Just want to show you guys the auction has ended. 12/13 limited hockey 2-box break number 1 ended April 18th, 2013, 22/20/49. And I'll show you the serial numbers. There you go. Okay, and the serial numbers for the boxes. First up. And the next one. Okay, let's open these boxes. I apologize if this video comes out a little long. This is my first ever eBay box break, so we'll see how this turns out. Empty. Empty. Okay, pack number 1, or box number 1. Okay, first hit for the Edmonton Oilers, base, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, number 32 out of 299. Next up is a redemption. Nice hit for the Chicago Blackhawks, trophy winner's signature, Patrick Kane. That's a nice one. Okay, next hit is silver base for the New Jersey Devils, Martin Brodeur, numbered 48 out of 49. Next one, nice. Freshman jumbo dual jersey out of 49. This will have to be randomized between the Dallas Stars and the Nashville Predators. Next hit. Man, this is a good box. For the Ottawa Senators, freshman jumbo jersey autograph, Jakob Silfverberg, numbered out of 99. Trophy or Stanley Cup winners for the Chicago Blackhawks, Stan Mikita, numbered out of 199. And board members for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Victor Hedman, numbered 48 out of 199. Man, that's one of the best limited boxes I've ever seen. On to box number 2. Okay, first hit. For the New York Rangers, base, Henrik Lundqvist, numbered 83 out of 299. Next is a limited Phenoms auto rookie, Dalton Prue. Let me just check which team that is. I'm not sure. It looks like it's for the Columbus Blue Jackets. I'll just double check later and make sure. we have a rookie redemption for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Next up, we have a limited travels dual jersey of Jaro Halak, numbered 7 out of 199. Yeah, this will have to be randomized between the Canadiens and the St. Louis Blues. Next up, we got a prime jersey for the Detroit Red Wings of Nicholas Kronwall, numbered 18 out of 25. Trophy winners, Jonathan Toews for the Chicago Blackhawks, numbered 178 out of 199. And a limited captain's gold for the LA Kings. Yeah, LA Kings, numbered 4 out of 25. Okay, we'll just set up the randoms for the two cards. Okay, here we go. For the dual jersey between Scott Glennie and Chet Pickard. Randomizing once, twice, 3 times, and the stars gets the card. And now for the Jaro Halak dual jersey, we have the Blues and Canadiens. Once, twice, 3 times, and the Blues gets the card. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you guys participating in my first ever eBay box break. I should have some more coming up, hopefully the cup pretty soon. Okay, thanks for watching.